Okay, I'm going to be choosing sulfur as my element. Sulfur, right there. So, I'm going to draw a Bohr model. First, I'm going to represent the nucleus. Atomic number 16 means we must have 16 protons. Sulfur is the only element with 16 protons. I'm going to represent it with a plus. Alright, for neutrons, I know that protons plus neutrons equals my mass. I'm going to round my mass down here. 32 is closer to 32 than it's 33, so it's going to be 32. So I know 16 plus my neutrons will equal 32. That number, I'll represent my neutrons with a 0 because they have no charge, is also 16. Great, so here's my nucleus. Now my energy levels. I'm in period 1, 2, 3. It's period 3, so I know there's going to be 3 energy levels. Great. I also know that there are going to be 16 electrons in this model because protons and electrons are the same in terms of total number in a neutral atom. So in the very first, I'm going to put 2. I'm going to put 8 in the next one. And that's going to get 6 in the last, so that's going to add up to 16. I always pair them up because it makes it easier to see. Great, that's a lot. So to simplify it, I'm going to write the Lewis structure. Lewis structures are just valence electrons. This has 6 valence electrons because it's in group 16. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw dots to represent them. Perfect. So it has 6. It wants to satisfy the octet rule. It wants to satisfy the octet rule, which means 8. So it's going to want to gain 2 more. Because it's going to gain 2 electrons to be stable, electrons are negative. So by gaining 2 negative things, it will have a charge or oxidation number of -2.